Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please stick around. I'm sure you'll learn something new if that's the case, or you'll get inspired. Today I'm going to be doing a colorful eyeshadow look for beginners. So if you're interested in using color in your makeup routine but don't know how to use it, or you've tried using it and it was a complete disaster, then this video is for you. So it's just very basic, very simple, and I'm going to be using this Switch Beauty palette, which is a unicorn sauce palette, and unfortunately they don't make this palette anymore, but I'm sure you can find a similar palette from these Instagram boutiques, or yeah, Instagram boutiques. I know they don't make it anymore, and this is a dupe for the Morphe 35B palette, which they have also discontinued. But anyways, you can just do this look with any colorful eyeshadows that you have, and I'll be showing you guys how to make your eyeshadow more pigmented and make it pop. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah. The first step is to prime your lids, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro HD Conceal in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm using this shade because it is a lighter shade, so it will make the eyeshadow pop more because it's sort of closer to white. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's lighter, so it will make the eyeshadow pop. And we won't be setting our eyeshadow, and that's also going to make it pop because it's going to give the eyeshadow something to stick to. And I'm so sorry you guys about the quality of the video. I'm actually using my phone to record this because my camera fell yesterday while I was testing out my ring light. I know, disaster. So this will do for now until she's back. So I'm going into this hot pink shade right here, and I'm using a flat brush, and I'm going to just pack that onto my lid, and we won't be taking it further up our crease because we are still going to blend that out, and we don't want the eyeshadow to be a complete mess. We still want to have control of our eyeshadow, and we want to make it look blended and seamless. Oh, and you guys, I forgot to mention, you know, when you're packing on eyeshadow in your inner corner, do not take it too further up because it looks like a disaster sometimes depending on the look you're going for. So if it's just a simple eyeshadow look with like minimal color, and it's not like, you know, the Instagram eyeshadow look, then don't take it further up. Don't take it too further up because it doesn't look that nice in person, and it just looks like a disaster. Now we're going into this a lighter purpley pink shade, and we're just gonna use the shade to diffuse our edges because I don't really want to use the pink. I wanted to use this shade to sort of soften out the edges and diffuse it nicely so that it blends in nicely, and it's not like what can I say, it's not like a line, yeah. And so I'm just taking this color blending brush, and I'm blending it out again with color. If you're using colorful eyeshadow, you need to blend out your eyeshadow properly because we can see everything. And here I'm just packing on that pink shade again onto my lid because your color will sometimes disappear, and the intensity will disappear after you blending out. So we just want to bring it back into our lid and a little bit on our crease. Now I'm using this round blending brush, and I'm going into this fuchsia color. I think it's called fuchsia, and I'm just focusing this on our outer V, and we're bringing it also forwards to our inner corner, and we're doing this to sort of just add dimension to our eyeshadow without having to add black. And we're actually using this color as a base for the next color that we will be using, which is a purple color, a purple shade, and we're just blending this out in a C shape because we don't want to bring out our eyeshadow. And this is the color that I'm using, the purple shade, to add depth to the eyeshadow. And we're just packing and blending that out. We're not using too much because we don't want it to overpower the hot pink. We just want it to complement and add depth. Now we're going back into the pink shade, hot pink. Let me just call it hot pink. We're going back into hot pink and we're just packing that onto our lid because we don't want it to get lost. We still want it to be the star of the show and to have the most focus on that shade. And now we're going to blend out our edges again because we want everything to look amazing. So I've done my base and I'm going back into the pink shade, the hot pink shade, and we're just going to place that on our lower lash line, and we're doing this so that everything looks cohesive and put together. And we're going to bring hot pink all the way to the front of our inner corner, and we're actually going to go back in with the darker shades that we used, and we're going to be using a small flat brush, this small flat brush, and we're just going to use the fuchsia shade right now, and we're going to bring that forward into our inner corner. And then with the dark purple, we're just going to focus her on our outer corner because we want to create a sort of gradient effect. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using my favorite mascara from Essence, the I Love Extreme Lash Mascara. You're more than welcome to use lashes at this point. I just felt they would be unnecessary for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below on what else you guys would like to see. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.